Okay, as mentioned, I'm going to finish up the practice now 11 question 1. Okay, find the general term in the binomial expansion. So I did say that this TR plus 1. So we ended off with the formula there. So I also said that the minus 1 belongs to the 1. So we can actually now separate out if I want to. Okay, the separation is by, okay, this is your ABN, right? What I meant was this part here. Okay, you can multiply the power, you get x, the power of 24 minus 2r. Okay, this is for x the power there. Okay, what about negative 1 over x the power of r? I can actually do a separation. Okay, a separation of minus 1 multiplied by x the power of r using the indices law a, b, n, which give me a, n, b, n. Okay, so I can actually separate out the number. Okay, the number. So now if I separate out the number, because this is minus 1x, so it can be minus 1 the power of r. Okay, I made a mistake here. So because x itself is the denominator, so I have a negative 1 for the power for x. So if I take, this is for x to the power of negative 1 the power r, using your law of indices a, n, n, it will be a, n multiplied by n. Okay, so this one here will be x to the power of minus r. Then I can actually combine the x together. When it's multiplying, the power is adding together. So at the end, I will actually get x 24 minus 2r plus minus r. Okay, if I write down the final answer, minus r plus minus 2r plus minus r will give you 24 minus 3r. Okay, this will be the final answer for the general term. Okay, for part 2, I'm asked to write down the power of x in this general term. So the power is actually this general term, the power is actually this one, right? So I should write 24 minus 3r. Okay, for part 3a, hence or otherwise determine the term containing x to the power of 9, the independent term of x in the binomial expansion of the expression given. Okay, of the expression given. So if I really know that from the general term, this itself is going to be the power for x, right? Okay, now I'm looking at x to the power of 9. So comparing, if I were to compare, okay, if I were to compare, so I want x to the power of 9. So this is x to the power of 24 minus 3r. So my law indices, remember, comparing equation. So I have the power comparing this part here. So 9 equals to 24 minus 3r. So when I manipulate, it will be 15. R will be equals to 5. So I know that r equals to 5 at the top part is going to be term number 6. Okay, based on the general formula now. 12, choose 5, minus 1 the power of 5. So x, it will end up with power of 9 because I'm asked to find the x to the power of 9 here, right? So pressing the calculator, you will get 792 x to the power of 9. Okay, this is for part 3a. And for part 3b, okay, for part 3b, you are asked to find the term independent of x. Okay, I have to make a reminder here that other than constant, when we talk about the term independent of x, it just means that x to the power of 0. Okay, it just means that x to the power of 0. So if I were to find x to the power of 0, okay, same thing. X to the power of 0 equals to x to the power of 24 minus 3r. Okay, so 0 equals to 24 minus 3r. 3r equals to 24. R will be equals to 8. So, using back the general formula, I am actually finding term number. Okay, if I put back here again, r equals to 8, it will be term number 9. Okay, based on the general formula, 12 choose 8. Remember, one number lower. Okay, minus 1 to the power of 8. And since I already know it's going to be this that I'm finding, so x to the power of 0. Okay, pressing just the calculator, the answer will be 495. Okay, if you can't get it, repeat again and look at the solution or the process and how I do the question. Okay, please finish up the rest.